Hi, I'm Toby and today I want to show you the INVENTHOR 6.2 from Doppstadt. It's strong, smart and super efficient. To be honest, the perfect machine for tough shredding jobs. The most important part here is the 2.2 meter rotor with strong and bolted teeth. Together with the countercomp here, it shreds all kind of waste, like green waste, waste wood, commercial or bulky waste. And even tough and very challenging materials are no problem, like mattresses or tires. And here's the smart part, because you can change the cutting gap by the push of this button here. Wide for rough shredding and tight for finer results. And even if something gets in that shouldn't be there, it's not a problem at all, because the countercomp moves aside automatically to protect the machine. The big hopper here makes your job easier. It holds 8 cubic meters of material and is 3.3 meter wide. That makes it very easy to load it even with big reloaders. The hopper expansions can be removed, so you can also work with small loaders. And with one button, the tipping hopper pushes the material straight onto the rotor, quick and easy. Our patented drive system, the Vario Direct Drive, gives you the best of both worlds. The efficiency of a direct drive and the flexibility of a hydraulic system. That saves fuel and gives you the full control. You can set the rotor speed like you need it. Fast for higher throughput and slower for more torque and even challenging material. A really big advantage is that you can start the machine even with a full shredding chamber. If necessary, the rotor reverses automatically or with the remote control. The INVENTHOR 6.2 is available in different power options, starting with 260 kilowatts and the MTU motor. Here we got the Plus version with a cut motor, 310 kilowatts strong. And last but not least, if you would like to drive emission-free, you can use the electric drive with strong 315 kilowatts. This is running by plug and play. With the new DoppBasket system, you can set the size of the output material. We have the hexagon and the waste wood in different mesh sizes and the comp basket to prevent oversizes, as you can see here. If an unshreddable object gets inside, it's not a problem at all, because the comp and basket are opening together, so you can remove it easily. The maintenance is quite easy. The comp opens very wide and the doors are folding up, so you can easily reach everything. For changing the rotor teeth, you use the DoppLock system. Only one screw is needed. A smart feature is the comp bar. You can put out the whole comp bar and swap it with one that already has new teeth. That saves time and keeps you working. You can choose between two conveyor lengths, 4.9 or 7 meters. The neodymium overbend magnet reliably removes metal. If you would like to recover even more metal, you can take the stronger 2-ton magnet or the magnetic head pulley. The INVENTHOR 6.2 of our slow-speed shredder line is ready for tough jobs. Strong, flexible and super efficient. The right machine for your challenge.